Look at that. We just came all the way out from that because this man did not know that the road was closed. This is stupid. Road closed, RCW something something. We are on our way to SeaTac, and all of a sudden this happens. Damn. Should have got this on camera. Tough break, eh? Well, here these people come, probably gonna yell at us.
Turn the truck off. Throw this in the back. Give me the key.
Or maybe not. Who knows? Goodbye, bumper.
Huh?
I was just saying, rest in peace, bumper. Because we tore that front piece off.
Yeah.
Apparently we thought we could get through, but we couldn't. Or they just probably don't care. Alright. I'll let you go through, and then I can go ahead and close that up. You're good. Oh, watch. Turn the wheel a little bit. Turn the wheel to the left. This is just perfect. Well, that was fun. Don't you guys agree?
I'm not sure. You're kind of fun there, buddy.
Apparently we tried to go through a ditch, but apparently we were wrong. I guess that ditch explains why the road was closed in the first place.
Yeah, they're putting in a new culvert.
Yeah.